Part 1. Intro and why mechanics hate this. Mechanics absolutely hate it when drivers figure out this simple trick. Why? Because it solves roughly 90% of car issues for free. No tools, no parts, no $600 dealership visit. Once you know it, check engine lights, rough idles, or weird shifting won't scare you. Dealers don't want you to know this. They make money every time a warning light pops up. Here's the truth. Your car is basically a rolling computer. Sensors, modules, and digital signals can glitch. Most issues aren't broken parts. They're bad data. That harsh downshift? Probably your transmission fixing a problem that's gone. Rough idle? Your ECU is relying on outdated fuel data. A simple reset clears all that junk, giving your car a fresh start, like rebooting its brain. Part 2. The battery disconnect reset. The classic go-to reset every pro mechanic secretly loves is the battery disconnect trick. It's simple, fast, and fixes tons of weird issues. Step 1. Turn off the ignition and remove the key. Step 2. Disconnect the negative battery terminal. Don't touch the positive unless you want sparks. Step 3. Press and hold the brake pedal for 30 seconds to drain leftover power. Step 4. Wait 10-15 minutes, grab a coffee, scroll memes, or just enjoy some quiet. Step 5. Reconnect the battery. This clears old sensor data, resets idle settings, and erases adaptive transmission memory. Rough idle gone? Check. Transmission acting possessed? Smooth again. Installed a new sensor? Must do before driving. You might lose radio presets, but that's a small price for a car that suddenly behaves like new. Part 3. The fuse box reset. If you don't want to wipe your entire car's memory, the fuse box reset is your secret weapon. Most cars label fuses for specific modules like ECU, PCM, TCM, BCM, or infotainment. Pull the fuse for the system acting up, wait about 10 minutes, then plug it back in. For example, removing the TCM fuse after a transmission service on a Nissan can instantly smooth out shifting. It's precise, fast, and doesn't erase everything else. Think of it as giving only the troubled system a mini reboot instead of the full brain reset. Drivers love it because it fixes annoying glitches without losing all their settings. Part 4. The pedal dance reset. Here's a reset most drivers completely overlook. The pedal dance. It's a throttle and transmission relearn trick that works on almost any car. Start with the key in the on position, engine off. Wait 3 seconds, then press and release the gas pedal 5 times in 5 seconds. Pause 7 seconds, then hold the gas pedal for 15 seconds. Finally, start the engine and let it idle. This clears stored transmission logic and resets the throttle body, restoring smooth acceleration. Works like magic on Nissan, Toyota, GM, and BMW models. No tools, just timing and a bit of patience. If your car feels twitchy or slow to respond, this simple dance often fixes it without replacing a single part. Part 5. Using an OBD2 scanner. Got $20. Then you've got real power in your hands with a basic OBD2 scanner from Amazon. Plug it into your car's OBD2 port, scan for error codes, and clear them out. It's perfect for common issues like a check engine light after bad gas, a loose fuel cap, random misfires, or oxygen sensor glitches. Pro tip: use the live data feature to monitor fuel trims, RPMs, and sensor outputs in real time. That way you can actually see if your reset worked. It's like giving your car a health checkup without paying a mechanic. A stubborn issue? The scanner can guide you before you start throwing money at parts that don't need replacing. Part 6. The nuclear reset and idle relearn. When all else fails, it's time for the nuclear option. A full battery disconnect combined with fuse pulls. Remove the fuses for the PCM and TCM, wait about 30 minutes, then reconnect everything. This clears stuck modules and teaches your car how to run properly again. Follow it up with an idle relearn. Start the car, let it idle for 5 minutes with the AC off, then 5 minutes with the AC on. Take it for a gentle drive afterward. This combo is known to fix limp mode in cars like Hyundai, VW, and Ford. It's like giving your car a complete software reset. Stubborn glitches disappear, and the car behaves like it just rolled off the lot. Part 7. Basic resets. Every driver should try. Before diving into fancy tricks, start with the basics. First, reset your TPMS. Inflate all tires properly, turn the ignition on, and hold the TPMS button until the light blinks 3 times. Take a short drive, and that annoying warning light should vanish. Next, try HVAC blend door resets by pressing and holding the recirculate and rear defrost buttons together for 10 seconds with the ignition on. For the steering angle sensor, turn the wheel fully left, then fully right, center it, and drive straight. These simple resets prevent stalling, erratic idle, and funky sensor errors, often without touching a single part. Part 8. Transmission memory and infotainment resets. For transmission hiccups, try a transmission memory reset. Turn the key on, press the gas pedal fully for 10 seconds, then turn the key off. Release the pedal, wait 2 minutes, and start the car. This clears adaptive memory and can smooth out rough shifts without a mechanic. If your infotainment system acts up, Bluetooth not connecting, or navigation glitching, head to Settings, System, Factory Reset. It wipes all weird software issues and gives your system a clean slate. Combine this with an idle relearn, and your car should feel sharper, responsive, and glitch-free. Sometimes it's just a software problem, not a $500 repair. Part 9. Keeping a reset log and window calibration. After any major reset, always follow up with an idle relearn to avoid stalling, hesitation, or inconsistent RPMs. A smart tip: keep a reset log. Note the date, what you reset, and the symptoms. Over time, you'll spot patterns, fix issues faster, and it can even boost resale value. If a problem disappears after a reset, it was probably just a glitch. But if it comes back, now you know it's a real issue worth fixing. One reset most people skip is window auto up-down calibration. After a battery replacement, power windows might lose their one-touch function. Turn the ignition on, roll the window down, and hold the switch 5 seconds after fully open. Then roll it up and hold 5 seconds once closed. Test one touch. Repeat if needed. Simple, yet it saves a motor or switch replacement. Part 10. Conclusion. Take control of your car. Now you know the reset tricks mechanics hoped you'd never learn. You're not just a passenger, you're in charge. A few simple steps, patience, and a little know-how can save hundreds, sometimes thousands on unnecessary repairs. From battery disconnects and fuse pulls to pedal dances and infotainment resets, most issues aren't broken parts. They're software hiccups or confused modules. If this video helped you save time or money, hit that like button, subscribe for more no-nonsense car tricks, and leave a comment if you've ever fixed a car problem with just a battery pull or button press. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it's also free car maintenance magic.